Hi, my name is Jeff Gray. I'm with ASA Electronics, and I'm standing inside of a Luxe Elite by the RV Factory. And what I want to talk to you about today is our Incommand System, which is a complete control system similar to a smart home technology. So you can control everything from your slide rooms, monitor your batteries, check your tank levels on your fresh, gray, and black water. You can also do things like control your HVAC, so you can even set schedules. So if you're going to be gone for the day but you want it to be cooled down by the time you get back, you can do that all from your display commander, which replaces the switch panel in traditional RVs. And in addition to that, you also have a mobile app, so you can control everything from your phone. So say you're sitting outside and you leave a light on and you're by the campfire. You don't have to get up. You can just go to your mobile app, turn off those lights. But what I also want to talk to you about is what we've added since the RV Factory started using our system. We have some great latest features that also add to the convenience. And again, what these systems are primarily made to do is they're for the features that you use most in your RV. Again, checking your fresh water. If it's on a Luxe toy hauler and you have an auxiliary fuel tank, you can actually check the fuel levels. You can start your generators, prime and pump, and even it'll check fault codes on your generator. So in addition to that, like I said, what we're adding is, and we've added this year, is individual switch panels. So these can be found in different locations throughout the RV. And what you can do with these, you can have up to 9 different functions. So say, for instance, a storm's coming up, you see that it's getting windy outside, you could actually put your awning in from there if your phone's getting charged or you don't have it handy. So we have one here. We have another one located over here. And what's nice about these switch panels, you can have up to 8 of them within the RV itself. And again, they control 9 different functions. So you can control lights, awnings, things like that. We also have them up in the bedroom area. So again, in the middle of the night, if your phone's you're not sure where your phone's at, you can just tap the screen. That wakes up the panel, and you can, let's use the scenario of a storm rolling up. You know your awnings are out. You could do that. Or you get into bed and you see that a light's on maybe in the living area. You can turn those off. We also have them in the bathroom. So again, touch it to wake it up. A lot of times you don't have your phone with you. Your hands are wet. You can just touch the panel and have all your functions. Another feature and benefit that Incommand adds this year is the partnership with General Motors. On all 2020 HD trucks from General Motors, there is an option to have advanced trailering, and within that advanced trailering is the ability to control all of the functions outside of your motorized functions within the RV. And the way that is done is all General Motors products have a My GMC or My Chevrolet app. Within that app, if they have the advanced trailering, they go to the trailering, and then within that there's a Incommand icon. The idea, just like Incommand, is so that the end consumer has one experience. So not only can you check vehicle diagnostics within your GMC or Chevrolet, but then still in the same app, you can go and say you are in a situation where you're 15 minutes from your destination and you realize it's 100 degrees outside. You're going to set up camp once you get there, and you want to be in a cool environment shortly after setup. You can start your generator and turn on your AC. So once you get there, everything is cooled down and ready to go. And if you have a toy hauler with an auxiliary fuel tank, you would also be able to check the fuel levels so that you don't get to your destination and then realize you don't have enough fuel for your toys. So that partnership we're very excited about, and again, that is going to be introduced on all the new 2020 HD trucks later this summer with the advanced trailering options. Thank you for joining us at the RV Factory, and we look forward to showing you some of the great new features that we have coming in the coming months.